right, good morning everyone. It's Lonnie and we're in the shed again, and it is time to pull some eBay orders. Turn some lights on in here. Yesterday was a pretty slow sales day until about, I don't know, 5 o'clock or so, and then I made some pretty good sales. You never know when they're gonna hit, you know, like hit a pretty good little flurry of like actually really fantastic sales. So some days you have bad days, some days you have mediocre days, some days you have really good days, and yesterday just happened to be one of those really good days. It did coincide, I don't think it's a coincidence, it coincided with a lot of listing. I've been doing a ton of listing the past, actually a pretty good bit this past week, but yesterday especially, and the day before too, for that matter. So let's go ahead and pull some orders here. It's not a whole lot of orders, but some good ones. All right, the first order we're gonna pull is, go back here by the noisy air conditioner. I did sell this regulator. Finally, had it a little while. I picked up this regulator and a little dive computer at a yard sale for $20 for both. Dive computer already sold. Let me look that dive computer up. I can't remember what it sold for. Okay, so yeah, the dive computer actually sold for $100 by itself, and then this thing right here, this regulator, it sold for $94.99 plus shipping on top. So that was a really nice sale. Total out of that $20 purchase, total of $194 in sales, not including shipping, but also not including eBay fees. All right, I listed a few games last night. This is one of them, new Super Mario Bros. Wii, and it sold, it's just the cardboard sleeve and the game. Sold this for $8.99 plus shipping. And I sold a figure, one of these figures back here. Get it out of here without bumping it or anything. Scrooge McDuck, he sold for $47.99, I believe. Let me double check. No, $47.49 plus shipping on top for that Jim Shore Enesco figurine thing. All right, another good sale back here is this Tascam recorder. It's like a 4-track. Grab this stuff too, because it comes with a power supply and some blank tapes, sealed tapes. But yeah, I picked this up at a yard sale a couple weeks back, and it might have been like 3 or 4 weeks ago, because I ordered the power supply because it didn't come with one, and then I went out of town, and when I got back the power supply was in, and then put off testing it for a few days. But I finally tested it and it worked fine. I mean, I even plugged microphones, a guitar, and all kind of stuff into it, and made some recordings and stuff, and everything worked fine. But yeah, I bought this for $20, and then I paid $10 for the power supply shipped. And then these tapes, I think I paid $2 for the tapes. So I had $32 into everything. And I took a best offer last night for $300 plus shipping on top. I think I was asking like $360. And the $300 offer came in, and I snatched it up because it was just too much profit there to not take the offer. All right, and just one more sale. These toners, I've got 6 of these toner cartridges, and they all sold. Every one of them sold last night, which was like, that was really sweet. I didn't even pay anything for these, so this is something I don't do. This is something I don't do very often. I did a consignment deal with my guy that I normally buy stuff from. He came across these at a yard sale, and he paid $24 for all 6. And he called me. He said, hey, I got these toners. I picked them up for $24, and then he made an offer to me. Usually, like every other time I've bought stuff from him, but this time he made an offer. He asked me if I would sell them for him on consignment. And I'll be honest, I don't love doing consignment deals. I'd rather just buy it outright at a little lower price, and then, you know, just I'll take all the risk. I'll put the money up, a little bit less money than a consignment would be, and take on all the risk. But he asked to do a consignment deal, and in this case it kind of made sense. He paid $24 for it, and the toners were worth over $100 a piece, and he had 6 of them. So I looked at the possible profit. He offered 50% split, half and half split after fees, which was very generous, I think. Like, that was I wouldn't want to do it for much less anyway, but that was I mean, that was an offer I really couldn't refuse. So I got them home and I listed them fast, and they've been sitting for a couple weeks now. I did adjust the price a little bit. I added a volume discount, and I think I even promoted them at like 1%. I don't know if that played a role in it or anything like that, but yeah, they ended up selling last night. Like, I was thrilled. I was thrilled because, like I said, we had been sitting on them for a while. Customer paid $662.52 for all 6. So one customer bought all 6, and let's see, they're going to Utah, so shipping's going to be pretty hefty on this. But after all is said and done, I did some quick math, and I should get about $280 out of this deal, and so should he. So like I say, the consignment thing, I don't like it much, but this was a high dollar item. This was super easy to list, and I thought it would sell pretty quick. It took a little longer than I expected, but yeah, we're both gonna make some really good money on this. So yeah, this is one heck of a sales day though. 600 and something here, 300 there, 100 there. I mean, just like 50 there, only $9 there, but man, it was such a good day. Such a good day. All right, we had a few more orders come in while I was packing these. These are all packed. They're not labeled yet. They're ready to go. I had 2 more orders come in. One was for a lot of 9 Game Boy Advance games. I looked all these games up, and I would say the average value is like $5 on these or so a piece. So I just lotted them all up and sold them for $20 plus shipping on top. So that was a nice fast sale. They might not even be $5 a piece. Like, there's horses right there, but there's some that are okay. Lord of the Rings, Kong. I think there's a Power Rangers, another Lord of the Rings, Star Wars. I mean, they're decent. It's a decent little lot for 20 bucks. Right, this is a nice little sale here. I sold these 1, 2, 3, 4 Simpsons, what do you call them? I can't remember what you call that. They're the thick comic books, you know. I gotta take these other things off the top. I remember what I was trying to say. Graphic novel. That's what I was trying to think of. These are basically like Simpsons graphic novels. It's a whole lot of comics here. They're like compilations of comic books. You see, it's all just like comic books. Only difference is with these is that they don't have advertising in them. So they're basically just books with pictures and words. So those are going media mail. Oh yeah, $28.49 plus shipping on top for that order right there. All right, one more order. Another thing I just listed yesterday. This was with those same GBA games. This little game, set y'all down real quick. This little game right here. It comes with this cool little intake case. Mega Man 03. Got $16.99 plus shipping on top for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack these up, and that's gonna be it. I'm closing off shipping for today. Okay, packages are all away, and I'm about to start doing a little bit of listing in here. But I did want to talk about something from yesterday. I was talking about the eBay supplies, and some of y'all had some questions about like how do you get that coupon code to order the eBay supplies. Well, my eBay supplies actually came in, which was really fast. That's the fastest I've ever seen them come in. I got, let's see, I don't even know how many. Is that 102? I don't think that's the, I don't know how many this is. Anyway, those are 9x12 poly mailers. And then this is a case of 12 by 15.5, the bigger ones. So good, I got poly mailers. I'm squared away on those for a while. And then the other thing that I picked up were these. Move my phone out the way. Were these boxes, these eBay boxes. I'm not even sure. I don't even remember what size they are. I'll pull them out in a minute. But I did want to show y'all where you do this at. From your seller hub page, and this is assuming you have at least a basic level store. I think basic level store gets $25, premium gets $50, anchor, is it 100? Or it might be more, it might be 150. And I don't know what the other level gets, that super high level. But yeah, you just go to, from your seller hub, you just go to marketing and then subscriber discounts. You click on that, and then you'll see eBay shipping supplies, see details, and then in my case, coupon already redeemed. But if it wasn't, you can click on start shopping. It takes you to the eBay shipping supplies page and all the stuff that they offer there. And then once you actually click on something and you go to checkout, it used to be you had to like copy and paste the coupon code in at checkout, but now on the checkout page, there's a box up top that says use coupon. And I did that the other day, where you just click on that and then it automatically applies to 50 bucks. In my case, 50 bucks to the order. So they've made it a little easier. You don't even have to copy and paste it anymore. So that's where you do that though. You go to promotions, subscriber discounts, and then the coupon thing, the shipping supplies or whatever, and then go shop. So hopefully that could help somebody. Oh, one other thing. Tomorrow, I'm not sure what time, need to get with Nick. I think it's probably going to be around noon central. Going to be doing a live show with Nick Hills of Nick and Andrea Hill's channel. It's going to be on Nick Hill's channel. Next week, Nick is going to join me on my channel around the same time. So a little 2-show deal we're doing. Going to be a lot of fun. I've known Nick for a long time now. One of the first YouTube channels I ever watched regarding reselling, and still one of the best. So come join us for that. To make sure that you catch that show, just subscribe to Nick Hill's channel. I put his link down below in the comments, and just go subscribe to Nick Hill's channel. Make sure you have the alerts turned on, and then that way whenever we go live tomorrow, you'll get the notification that we're live, and hopefully we'll see you there. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. I will see y'all again tomorrow. Bye bye.